Hi, this is part D of question 1 on Math 2015. The question gives us two functions, f and g, and wants to know which of these following statements are always true, given that a is greater than 0. So essentially, we want to find out if g of f of a is bigger or if f of g of a is bigger. So f and g are defined in terms of these integrals, which are a bit annoying, but they are just of polynomials, so we can just evaluate these. So let's look at f of x first. So f of x is equal to the integral from 0 to 1 of x squared t squared dt. So now if we look at this and we ignore the f of x and just look at this integral. So it's an integral, we're integrating over t. So here x is just a number that we're putting in here. So this is going to come out to, x squared, we're just treating like a constant, times, then integrating t squared gives us a third t cubed from 0 to 1, and that's just equal to a third x squared. And similarly for g of x is just equal to 0x t squared dt, which is equal to a third t cubed from 0 to x, and that's just equal to a third x cubed. So here are the two functions that we just worked out for f and g, and we want to know which of these is always true. So basically we need to know which is bigger, f g of a or g of f of a. So if we just use our formulas up here, so we're going to have that f of g of a is going to be a third times a third a cubed, which is from g of a there, all squared, and that's going to be a third times 1 over 3 squared times a to the 6. And then if we work out what g of f of a is, that's going to be a third times a third a squared from substituting f of a from this, all cubed, and that's going to be a third times 1 over 3 cubed times a to the 6. And you can see that now 1 over 3 squared is always going to be bigger than 1 over 3 cubed, because 3 cubed is bigger. So that means that f g of a is always greater, and hence b is the answer that we're looking for.